Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in this view, like Chrome. Then access background apps. In order to do that with Tricky's navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now click on the icon of your app and select Open in Split Screen View. Then click on the other app. I will go with Gallery. As you can see, finally, I can use both of them at the same time. If you wish to switch places of your apps, click on those 3 dots between them and tap on this icon with 2 arrows. In order to close split screen view, hold the same 3 dots and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. When you see this gray area, let go. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!